Right, I just wanted to demonstrate this magazine pellet loader that I've just finished. Being a lazy bugger, I didn't really want to do any video editing, so I'll attempt to do it in one shot. So just a quick demonstration here. This is a FXL Wildcat with a 8-shot magazine. Maybe it's other FXs are using this. I'm not sure. I know the version 3 has got a bigger capacity. Anyway, I didn't fancy carrying tin of pellets to the field or having loose pellets in my pocket, so I've just done this thing. I'll attempt to do this single-handed. Okay, the magazine pops in to the cap, pops down. This is much easier with two hands. And we just quickly press the plunger and we've got the pellets in the magazine. The others are waiting there. This will take about 8 or 9 loads depending on the length of your pellet. I've checked them carefully. They doesn't seem to be damaging them at all. Seems to be working okay. I'm not quite sure. I might upload the files about this. There might be some more refinements to do. To load it, you just unscrew this. So that's a bit that pushes the pellets in. And they all sit down. This tube is a bit of a pain to load. This, of course, takes a few minutes, sliding about 9 into each tube. But I think once you're out in the field, you'll appreciate that. This is all done on SolidWorks. It just works like this. Okay, hope you liked that video. Thanks.